Om Shanti. 30 May 2021. Today's Murli. Bap Dada Madhuban. The method for churning and the way to increase churning powder. Knowledge is also a weapon, but if at the time for becoming a conqueror of Maya, you don't use the weapon, you reduce its value because you didn't take its benefit. To take the benefit of something means to keep its value. You all have jewels of knowledge because you have a right, but you are number wise in being full. You were told that the main reason is the lack of churning powder. Churning powder is the base of experiencing the Father's treasure to be your own. When digested physical food becomes blood because food is separate. When it is digested, it becomes own in the form of blood. In the same way, with churning powder, you experience the Father's treasure to be your own. You experience them as a right and as your treasure. Bap Dada has been saying that only when you grind your own ingredients will you feel that intoxication. That is, by using the Father's treasures with your churning powder, you experience entertainment and your intoxication rises. They don't know how to experience that stage, and so they simply repeat the knowledge. The golden, silver, copper and iron ages, so many births. This lifespan, this much time, that's it, and then it is over. To all the knowledgeable children of the ocean of knowledge, to the elevated souls who constantly become conqueror of Maya easily with the power of churning, to those who increase their practice of churning powder and who experience the stage of being lost in love, to those who always know the value of the jewels of knowledge, to those who use the power of knowledge in every action, to the special invaluable jewels who constantly remain stable in an elevated stage, Bap Dada's love, remembrance and namaste. Avyak Bap Dada meeting groups. There is little time and a loss to be entangled. So, if you want to entangle a lot of in a short time, you have to do it quickly. You are seeing the time and you also know the speed of your efforts. So, if time is moving fast and your speed is not fast, then time, that is the creation, is faster than you, the creator. Blessing. May you Be constantly victorious with the awareness of three experience: to break, to mold, and to forgive, connect. The essence of the whole study and teachings are in three experiences. 1. Karmic bondages have to be broken. 2. Your sanskars and nature have to be molded. 3. You have to forgive all relationship with the one Father. These three experiences will make you completely victorious. For this, always have the awareness. Whatever appreciable things I see with these eyes have already appreciated. Even while seeing these, continue to see your new relationship and the new world, and you will never be defeated. Slogan: the sign of a yogi is that he or she is always clean and clear. Om Shanti.